Normally, we set those timing gears in 4-way. Here on Fuso Mitsubishi 6D16, or 6D17, as an engine type, are set in the way, even there is difference according to the piston size, but the setting are same. As you see, those two idle gears, which are kit on the same shaft, are going to link the crankshaft to the injector pump, and next idle gear, so that it will link the camshaft. Firstly, crankshaft meshed, with larger idle gear. Secondly, small idle gear, meshed with injector pump. Thirdly, small idle gear meshed, with larger idle gear. Fourthly, this idle gear, meshed with camshaft.